With Robinhood not living up to their name and seemingly giving to the rich and not helping out the poor, is public brokerage a good alternative? Let's dig into that today. As I'm not only a cryptocurrency channel, let's get back to traditional finance and compare these two brokerages. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. On this channel, I like to talk about making money on your phone, creating passive income sources, making good sound investments, and some helpful tips here and there. If you like making money, then hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification if you'd like to get notified when I make videos in the future. I am not a professional on this topic, so do your own research before investing or opening any accounts I talk about on my channel. Most of you probably have a Robinhood account, or at least know about it. With everything going on with this Wall Street bets fiasco, among many other things, Robinhood is seeming more and more to be not so trustworthy and out there to help the big hedge funds than us little guys. As Robinhood is a very easy to use app, and that's what draws people to it, and having access to buying a select basket of cryptocurrencies, which realistically, buying cryptocurrency on Robinhood isn't all that great. You cannot take your cryptocurrency off Robinhood if you choose to do so, which is kind of defeating the purpose of cryptocurrency. More about that in other videos. And they do have fractional shares. So if you wanted to invest in Amazon but don't have $3,200 to invest, you can invest a much smaller amount. That's Robinhood. I covered the perks and what may be still drawing people to it. But let's go over Public and see if it could be that alternative for ditching Robinhood. Public is another very easy, simple to use broker. Also commission-free trades, as well as no minimum deposit amount to start investing. Where it does differ from Robinhood, they aim to mix investing with social media, where you can follow your friends, make groups, and see how everybody else is trading, as well as follow anyone's portfolio and some pros in the space if you need a little help along the way. Also offering fractional shares, which they call stock slices. So you can still invest in some of these companies that the share price is pretty high for new investors to jump in. It is a mobile-only brokerage. So if having a desktop version for your brokerage account is important to you, this isn't the brokerage for you. As I did mention, it is more of a social media aspect to Public. You can also set your trades to private, as I'll show you later when I go through depositing on the app, as well as buying and selling a stock. If you don't want anyone to know what you're holding in your portfolio, that is an option too. And what Public is offering right now, if you wanted to move all your stocks from another brokerage, Robinhood, you can do that for free. They are covering all of your transfer fees to move your stocks over. Now, we don't know how long this will be as to when they're going to end this promotion, but that is an option if you're getting tired of other brokerages. And when doing this, it is not a taxable event. If that popped in your head, you are not selling any of your stocks. So short-term to long-term capital gains is not affected. All you're doing is transferring your stocks from one brokerage to another. So you're safe there. Both of these apps are pretty cut and dry, beginner, easy to use apps. Neither do offer a retirement account, unfortunately. Another thing Public does offer, you don't see in Robinhood, is what they call investing themes. So you can click on multiple themes that they have, which are just baskets of stocks and ETFs put together from the same market, and invest a certain amount of money in any of these. So it's kind of like investing in the market overall, rather than just one stock. This is helpful for new investors that aren't quite sure what they're doing and may get burned in investing in the wrong stock. This is just hedging your bets. For example, one of these is lost in the clouds, which includes some stocks like Oracle, Salesforce, and Shopify. And as I brought up, the fact that you can follow anyone on Public, be careful who you're following. It is set up like Twitter, where people are verified with a blue check mark, but that really doesn't mean anything. Make sure if you are following somebody to invest in, that they have some kind of reputation as a good trader or investor. And on that note, let's jump over to the app and show you around a little bit. So after setting up your Public account, linking a bank account, when you go to the bottom right-hand corner, click the little guy. That is your portfolio. Click deposit. And if you don't want one of the preset deposits, click different amount. I'm going to throw $25 in. Instant cash unlocked. And let's check out my portfolio. I only have my free stock, JP Morgan, when I signed up, and PSLV, which is a Sprott Physical Silver Trust. After you gain a certain amount, you can actually request physical silver sent to you. Anyways, let's sell JP Morgan. trade. Sell all, sell all. I want to sell my $11.23 of JP Morgan. Confirm. I just sold my stock. If you wanted to let everyone know why you sold JP Morgan, you could here. I'm not big on letting everybody know why I am in and out of trades. I know, kind of ironic seeing that I have a YouTube channel and talk about this type of thing. So let's go back and buy more PSLV. Trade, invest. So I have $38 of buying power. And I will go ahead and buy 3 more shares. I could go to the bottom left-hand corner and set a limit order if I choose to. So I'm not paying market price, but I will just set a market order. We'll buy 3 shares, buy 3 shares, and confirm. I just bought 3 more shares of PSLV. And again, if I wanted to let everyone know why I bought shares, I can do so here. You can also set your account to private if you don't want to let everyone know what you're doing. Many people don't like the social media aspect of the brokerage account. You could also follow traders and copy their portfolio. Let's click on Kevin Matthews too. He does have a blue check mark, which is kind of like Twitter. A blue check mark means you are reputable in some aspect. You could follow him and copy his trades if you wanted, or anyone for that matter, if you wanted to start a group of your friends and make it social as far as what you are all buying and selling. And as you scroll down on the main page, you could also see other people to follow if you wanted to check out what their investment strategy is. And then if we go back to our portfolio, you can go all the way down, and that's where you'll find the themes that I talked about earlier. Click it to ship it, Lost in the Clouds, Rise of the Machines. Now, as I stated before, these are just a group of stocks and ETFs that are all in the same market. And if you do choose to open a public account with my referral link or anyone else's, you will get a free stock slice up to $50. This is completely random as far as the amount you can get, but you do get to choose your stock from a basket of stocks that they offer, which is nice. So you're not getting a completely random stock. You at least have some kind of choice in which you want to invest your free money in. So after you open up an account, verify your account, link a bank account, and deposit any amount, you will get your free stock. One of the easiest free stock offers out there. So what did you think? If you're used to Robinhood, this is still pretty simple. It does have a little bit more to it, but overall, still a very simple, easy to use app. And if Public seems like the right brokerage for you, then sign up with that referral link in the description below, and we'll both get a stock slice for you signing up. And if you do sign up, comment below and let me know what you got. And don't forget to give yourself a raise. I'll see you next time. A few videos popped up to your left and right. If one of those perked your interest, give it a click.